Oi! 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 How's it going? How is it going? Okay. And another day of Godot. We're gonna be doing it again. Let's pop this over. Boom. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's slap open Godot. Get some work. Gotta do some work. Last time on Dragon Ball Z, made another enemy. Bear like a lion, you got a donk. Yeah, does. Oh yeah, looking good. I think it's pretty good. And today we gotta do some knockback. Ugh. So for knockback, what I would imagine is that each weapon will have its own knockback attribute. Let's go to paint real quick. Let's do this. Oh, that's not working. Whatever. Okay. Each weapon. All right, we got a sword. Boom, boom. So I have some kind of knockback. KB, I'll just call it KB. And then each enemy, which is gonna look like a regular player, I guess. I don't know. It's gonna have maybe some kind of knockback resistance. Call you KBR. KBR. Ooh, resist. So there are probably a few things I can do here. This will give a force. This will receive the force, negate it through the resistance, and then whatever is left, it'll do it. If I want to give something no resistance, I can do a boolean or set this to -1, I guess. But I feel like it's a little more intuitive to use a boolean. Just to say it can't be knocked back. Or knockback can be a component. But let me not overcomplicate it. For now, I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm thinking that knockback could be a component. And then... Let's put it in the hitbox for now. Let's just do that. Yeah, but that's it. Knockback and knockback resistance. Doesn't seem that complicated. Let's go to the sword. Okay. Alright. This guy, you're ready to go, my dude. You're ready. You did it. And I think I can just edit the health component. Right? The health component. This this guy. It's gonna update everything. CD, game dev. Everything looks clean. Open up VS Code. Get out of here, fly. What the hell? Ain't trying to fight you today. Okay, so we have the base weapon. We'll give this a new thing. Export var knockback. Knockback. Float. Let's give this like some random default value to like 5. All right. So area's health component. How's it going, Bear? Hope you're doing good. Hope things are going good with your game too. I'm working on getting the knockbacks in now when you hit them. So we could just pass the knockback in through there. Health component. Then we have take damage. Right? Yeah. We could just call this knockback. Definitely tying responsibilities together, so probably not too good to do this, but I'll just do it like this for now. Export var. So we're gonna have knockback resistance equals 0. And I'll just do this to export var can be knockback equals true. I definitely feel like this should be its own component though. Yeah, probably should be. Nonetheless. Alright, this will be the health component, and then we could probably apply. Oh, wait. Maybe this is where I need to apply character body 2D. I need to apply like a force. That's not good. Got your guy walking on the screen. He needs knockback though. Now, so what do I do when the enemy takes damage? I'll do this guy. When you take damage, you need to move in the opposite direction of where you got slapped. How do we do this? This is gonna have to slide back, but this is a node 2D. Can we change the type? Be a character body 2D or something? What's gonna be the issue now? This node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with other objects. Right. So maybe the approach I took with this is wrong. Maybe the health component shouldn't be in area 2D. Did you work in knockback in your game? I'm kind of wondering what would be the good approach here. I think I would need to use this. Because I could apply a force to it, and then it can just do move and slide. And then nothing else really matters. This seems a little bit not too good. I wonder if I could share the shape with this one. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this has like its own collision layer and everything. So let's reimagine this. This health component. Do you need to be in area 2D? Probably not, right? Alright. This is just like... This could just be a regular component. It doesn't do anything special that would require an area 2D. Maybe I could refactor this and I could just do that. I have to redo... Let's redo the scene, so... Shit's gonna start breaking if I leave it. And let's go to scenes. Go to level. Main. Alright. Blob's gonna get out of here. That one, that's the bat. That's the mouse. Okay. Just me and the bear. Here we go. So this needs to be, we'll just say node 2D. Right? You can be node 2D. Fine. You'll still be a health component. Right? Base weapon. Okay. Yeah, and this toggles the weapon. Blah blah blah. Area. On area entered. So this is not going to be an area anymore. We'll just have like, I don't know, we'll just have a collision shape 2D. Or, let's change the type of this to be a node 2D. Node 2D. Okay, health component is just a node 2D now. Right. Health component. I think I had a scene for this too. Should just change it. Oh yeah, if I change the scene, it just updates everywhere. So nothing will actually break. Sweet. Player, weapons, components. Call it hurt box. Change type, node 2D. Okay. Yeah. And that has the health component script on it. Okay. What I'm kind of thinking is these can just be it might still be fine to just leave this as a node 2D at the top, and then I'll make a new node in here called character body 2D, which will take the collision shape. Yeah. Okay. And then here, in here. So the health component will look for... Does it even need to look for anything? I don't think so, right? On sword box area entered. If area is health component. No. It doesn't need to be a health component. But it needs to be an enemy collider. So what are the options here for area? Area dot layer. What happens if I just print area dot layer? Because I do want this just before. It's gonna break, isn't it? It's not gonna break. Okay, boom. It's not an area anymore, right? So we're shuffling back over to the character body 2D. We need a hook this up now. Where's the weapons? Sword. Okay. Sword box. Body entered. Yeah, we just gotta do it. Is it in the sword script? Base weapon? Yeah. A sword box area. Okay. We gotta work it back in here. Okay, let's just go like that, right? And then it's gonna be like, oops. We'll just replace area with body. Just kidding. I put a semicolon in there. Body. Okay. Cool. All right. Now it should print. Hope so. Oh, come on. Work with me, baby. Work with me, baby. What are you doing? Sword box body entered. Print. Entered body. We could just say up here. Oops. Find body and just say area. Area. Cool. It's not entering. It's not entering. Oh. I'm stupid. Like always. I forgot to do the collision. You're on layer 4. That's it. And then you interact with 1 and 3, right? Player and terrain. Yeah. Invalid index layer. Body is object ID, blah, blah, blah. Character body 2D. Collision layer. Do I have to do collision layer? Collision layer. Oh, that's what I gotta do. Okay. That's probably it. Okay. Ooh, enter body 8. Alright, why is this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. Oh, is the next one 16 then? Like, say I was to do like... I just need to test it out. This is for sanity. It's a bit mask, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 4, 8. Right, value 8. Okay. It feels a little annoying to have to address it like this. Probably a way I can do it without doing the 8. By that collision layer. Collision mask? Collision mask what? Hold on. Collision. Is the LSP better here? No. Probably not. I guess. They didn't even pop up. What the hell? Why is this a 5? What? What is going on? What? Why is that 5? The hell? Screw it. We're gonna learn. We're gonna learn something. Let's pop open YouTube. No. Knock. Back. Component. My mind. My mind. My mind is blown up.
I'm going to teach you how to make
Teach me, please.
knockback. Nothing fancy, it will not have any acceleration, any friction, it will just be immediate movement. So,
that's not what I want.
Entity-based script. Here we need to do
both wait, hold on. Let's just double check.
Like,
let's see what he's getting.
Share and subscribe. So, not the
no, that's not it.
Even more.
That is not it. Let's see. Come on, show me, guy. Show me. Oh. No, that's like immediate though. I want to slide back. Tween animations. No, that sounds also like
good morning.
Not super essential.
All be in one. We're gonna put this in back vector.
Let's see.
Enemy, it will inside
let's
of
see the
our
result.
sword hitbox, and this should
yeah,
work.
Let's do it.
Theoretically, we should be able to attack them to the right.
Nice. That's what I want.
Up and to the right. It's hard to see. Let's try down and to the left.
Yep, that's what I want. All right, cool.
You don't want to have an enemy.
He's doing the bat
for the animation, I think. Now we're going to create and back into our collisions. We do that well and stuff. This is about.
This is also 4 years ago, so Godot might be a little bit different.
The same spot that our shadow is, or hurtbox seen here as a component, and we can easily set up the hurtbox for our bat with a reusable component that doesn't require us to set up a lot of code we just set up the hurt box that we want for it.
Okay. They did make a scene for it. It's an
And-
area 2D. And the bat
Let's see, I think
itself.
maybe right about there is what I'm gonna do. So this collision shape is a capsule.
Oh
Obviously,
wait,
I've got
the
6
bat
and
itself
6,
is
and
character
then
body
its
2D.
position is going to be -13.
Why is it not complaining?
0. And it doesn't have to be exactly like this. I wanted to have a 13
It's not complaining about the collision
from there,
shape.
from a
Hold on.
to collide with the bats. Well, the problem is they feel too solid. You can't move through them. You can't push. Bat
Okay.
is looking to the player layer as well as the world layer. So that would allow the player
Right?
to
Physics body
collide
2D.
with the bats. Well, the problem is they feel too solid. You can't move through them. You can't push them. And this isn't the kind of collision we want with the bats, especially when they start moving. They would just push the player around, which would feel really weird
Yeah.
because our player has a larger mass than the bat. So to make up our own fake physics for these enemies, but we're going to be doing that in a later video. So we've got our bats in the room. Let's actually give them a hurt box, right? And so one of in programming, want to have enemies is to get reusable stuff. One of them is called inheritance. To inherit from another one, and then it inherits.
Inheritance does inheritance, right?
From that other object. And the other method is called
Fair point.
composition, which is where instead of inheriting something from another object, you compose your bat enemy, for example. Instead of your bat enemy inheriting from some enemy class, you compose your bat from a whole bunch of different reusable components. And
let me
generally
speed
you
this
want
up.
to try and use the component pattern over inheritance if you can. And so in this case, instead of having a bat enemy that, that inherits all this stuff in regards to some sort of a hitbox, we can just use our hitbox scene here as a component, right? Hurtbox scene here as a component. And we can easily set up the hurtbox for our bat with a reusable component that doesn't require us to set up a lot of code. We just set up the hurtbox that we want for it.
Okay.
And let's see, I think maybe right about there is what I'm going to do. So this collision shape is a capsule. Obviously, I've got 6 and 6, and then its position is going to be -13 and 0. And it doesn't have to be exactly like this. I wanted to have a little bit, I want to be generous with the hurtbox to make it easier to hit the enemies. So I'm going to make this a little wider and come down by 1. I don't know. You want to make it easy to hit your enemies and then be hard to be hit by the enemies. Always skew the game in the player's favor. That way it always feels more fair to them. Even if it's technically not that fair, it's more fair for the player than it is for the enemy. So,
yeah.
Okay, then we can take our hurtbox here.
Oh, it's not complaining because it has a collision shape 2D inside.
Here. We want to put this on, since it's a hurtbox, we want to put it on the enemy hurtbox layer. And it doesn't look towards any other layers. And then we'll use our signal from this hurtbox. Let's say area entered, connect to the bat. Oh, it's because we don't have a script. So attach a script to our bat here. It'll just be created under enemies, bat.gd, save. We can actually get rid of all of this for now because we don't need any of that. Then come into our hurtbox, connect this signal to our bat.
Okay.
What we want to do when it gets hit, well, let's start off with a queue free just to test this and make sure that it works. Okay, we can come in and move around our bats, and we can now attack them and kill them.
Right.
Okay, but that's kind of boring. We don't really want to just end the video on that, I think. So what we'll instead do is we'll add to our bats, we'll add a knockback variable. And we'll set this to 0 for now. And then we'll add our physics process. And inside of our physics process, we'll say knockback equals move and slide knockback. And now inside of our on hurtbox area entered, well, we need to have some sort of a friction on our knockback as well. So knockback equals knockback.move toward, and then vector 2.0, and then why can't I get the 0 to work there? There we go. And then the delta that we want to have for this friction is
knockback that moves toward vector 2.
Flying enemies, so they don't have a lot of
0.
friction.
Move towards
friction is going to be fake because they're not
2.
but they would be trying to fight against.
Wait, it was 2 and then delta.
Because they're not actually touching the ground, but they would be trying to fight against the knockback motion and move towards you. So we will.
Yeah, I think it's a little different now.
What do we do for our player? I don't remember what we did for our player. Let's look at that. We did 500. So let's say 200 times delta. And I think that's what we want to do. Let's check out our friction for our player. Friction times delta. Yep, that looks good. Okay. So now when we get hit, we can set our knockback to something, right? So let's say knockback equals vector 2.right. Well, let's do right for now, times, I'm going to have to make up some number here because I don't actually have this exact setup. Maybe we'll do 400.
I think ideally you'd want the position from where they hit you from, and then you can launch in the opposite direction.
So let's set this to 100. Try again.
It's good.
And that's probably too little, right? So it's crazy the difference between, I mean, it is a big difference, right? It's 4 times the amount, but it seems so much more significant. And we probably want something in between those two.
Mm-hmm.
So 160 maybe. Or we get a little bit more knockback. Still too much, I think. 150 maybe.
All right.
I still feel like that's too much. But 100 was way too little.
Not too important.
That seems like the right amount to me. We'll have to see because when enemies are moving towards us, we end up changing this value later. So how do we calculate the knockback properly so that when our enemy gets hit, we get knockback based on the direction the player is facing? Before, I was actually using the roll vector for this of the player. So let me show you the code that I had set up for this. We're probably going to be changing this later because I don't like the solution at all. So we'll say var knockback. Think. So then let's give, it's not where we want to put this, vector. Ready state, we will set, well, we want to get access to our sword hitbox, right? So let's do that here. We'll say on ready
hitbox, sword hitbox.
Hitbox equals $sign
Box pivot.
sword hitbox, like that, so we get access to it. And then inside of our ready function right here, we can say sword hitbox dot knockback vector equals roll vector. So we'll set it to the same as our roll vector. And then we'll do the same thing inside of our move state here. Whenever we set the roll vector, we'll set the knockback, the sword hitbox knockback vector. Knockback vector equals input vector as well, just like our roll vector. So basically our knockback vector is going to be the same as the direction that we were just moving in. That way if you're moving up and to the right and you hit an enemy, it will knock it back up and to the right. If you're moving to the right and you hit an enemy, it will move to the right. So we're storing that information inside our sword hitbox. And this should work. Theoretically, we should be able to do it back and to the right, up and to the right. It's hard to see. Let's try down and to the left.
Yeah. Actually, that makes a lot of sense.
And it's colliding with the wall right there. And we may want them to kind of bounce off the walls. We'll see how that goes when they get hit. We can change that later. But you can see we can now hit them in any direction we want. Now, if you wanted to, you could make it so that you couldn't knock them up into the right. I personally like to be able to hit them in the direction that I'm moving. It makes the most sense. But you could set it up so that they actually got hit to the left. They got hit to the direction that you're facing, right? Because technically when you're moving up and to the right, you're facing left. So that's a personal choice. But I definitely prefer having them go the direction that I'm facing. It makes the most sense to me. So there you go. Now we've got a little bit of knockback in the enemies, and I think that feels fun. I think that's a better place to end this video on. In the next few videos, we'll be adding in the hurt boxes for enemies so they can actually damage the player. We'll be giving them stats, a stats component, so their own health.
Interesting. Okay. So he leaves the collision shape 2D in there. For what? So it doesn't complain? I don't know. Maybe they'll just collide with each other then? Alright, let's go back to this guy. Let's rename you. Let's call you Bear, like Lion. Okay. And then we'll have the... This can be a character body 2D then. Base enemy. Character body 2D. Alright. Let's change you. Character body 2D. So this would be like walking collisions and stuff, I guess. Then we change the hurt box to area 2D again. I think we'll just go with that. Area 2D. Okay. Base weapon. Alright, all the way to the bottom. Okay, throw the knockback in there already. Cool. Collision shape 2D. Sword. Good. Health component is area 2D, good. Knockback. Health component. So take damage, boom, 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 boom. If health is 0, don't do anything. Knockback is... Dynamite, and I want to return here. I can leave this as the last line. That doesn't matter. Okay, and then I want to work on knockback. Take damage. This needs to know. It needs to refer to the base. Right, and this is going to be a character body 2D. Base enemy. Right. You. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. Let's undo this. Get rid of that. Let's just add the hurt box back in here. Boom. You got the hurt box. And you need a collider. Collision shape 2D. Sure. Hurt box is going to be on layer 4. It's going to mask to... This doesn't need a mask to anything, actually. Right. It just needs to check on... It just needs to be on layer 4. That's it. And then this one needs a separate collision. Alright, it's fine. That wider hitbox because of the dunk. Gets me every time. Alright, you need another one of these. Stick you under there. Alright. Since these are like different components, we'll do the collision a little bit differently. This mass to 1 and 3. Maybe we'll make it mass to 4 too. Screw it. They can collide with each other. Alright. And then... Alright, the hurt box is here. Take damage. So now what do we want to do? We want to relay this to the root. And if the root has some kind of physics associated with it, like it's a character body 2D or something. What is this? Yeah. What's the difference between this and kinetic body? Kinetic. Is that not a thing anymore? Character body 2D. No 2D. Okay, wait. Hold on. Let's peek at the node 2D stuff. Node 2D. Wait, this is canvas item. Okay. Viewport, no. No. What the hell? What the hell is character body 2D? Collision object 2D. Node, oh, okay. Node 2D. Collision object 2D. Right. Physics body, and then there's area 2D. So I can pick between these two. Health component. Sure. This is something I made. Static body. That can't be moved by external forces. Okay. Cool. We can just chill with that. Okay. So I got my hurt box. This will just have a separate collision, which is going to be the same thing, I guess. So they can just collide with each other. Gotta make this one a little bit tighter. Okay, cool. Alright, base enemy, so you give it the weapon damage and the knockback. This will receive the weapon damage and the knockback. And on ready, let's say we're gonna have character body 2D. Let's make a separate function called func knockback. And then this will just be the knockback value. Right? Throw a pass here. So we can check the root now. Say var character body 2D parent. So parent character body 2D. Okay. I'll just say like, hey, if parent, so this is not null, then a knockback should be, we can do a vector like they did, right? Vector 2. But then I can't associate force with it. Maybe we'll call these separately. Nah, we'll call them the same. Knockback force is gonna be a float. And then I want knockback direction is gonna be a vector 2. Okay. Health is 0, emit, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Yeah. So let's allow the knockback here. So we'll say knockback, right? And we'll give it the, oops, let's say knockback force. It's gonna be a float. And knockback direction. Maybe vector 2. Okay. Knockback force. Force. Where's the force? Give me the force. I need the force. Knockback force. Okay, it's not showing up for some reason, so screw it. Back direction. Thank you, LSP. For nothing at all. Okay. Knock it back. So if parent, then I want the knockback resistance. Okay. How did they do it in this thing again? They did. One second. Did I close it? Closed it, didn't I? No, I didn't. All right.
Setting up
Their
artificial intelligence and
the knockback dot move toward. Move toward the vector that the player is aiming in. Okay. And move and slide knockback. 200 times delta. So that'll be like the knockback force. Move toward. Interesting. Okay, let's try that, I guess. So we have knockback direction dot move toward. Right, and then this takes 2 and then delta. Uh-oh, there's no delta. So I guess I have to do this on Like an update or something? Right. Okay. We'll do that. Move toward. This will be knock back direction, was it? Hold on. 2 and then the delta. No, this needs to be done in physics process. Okay, let's do that. Bunk. Physics process delta. Okay. Knock back. How do you use move and slide? Move and slide. Hold on. I need to keep track of a knockback. Right? Bar knockback is vector 2 dot 0. We'll instantiate it. So knockback. Right. Okay. And then I just do like so knockback equals, so it's going to be the direction, knockback direction times knockback force. Okay, and that should do something already. Yeah. Get out of here. Okay. Now in the physics process, we can be like knockback equals knockback dot move toward, right? And then we have 2 delta from 2 delta. That's a global scope. Got it. Move toward. Vector 2 at 0. Honestly, I don't understand this portion. And that's going to be the force times delta. Knockback speed. I'm just going to put a random number here times delta. Oops. Let's find out. Knockback equals move and... Oh wait, this is this is the wrong one. So this needs to refer to the parent. I'm giving this health component way too much responsibility. Yeah. Yep. Too much responsibility here. Oh, my bad. All right. So what I should do instead, maybe I can just omit this instead of having all this happen. Emit signal knockback, right? We can get out of here. This shit. Yep, get out of here. Okay. So we have knockback. This gets out of here too. Don't need any of this. Signal knockback. Knockback dot emit, and then we'll pass in the knockback force and knockback direction, I guess. And we could do, give ourselves a little flexibility there. Base enemy, gonna be character body 2D, right? Child dot knockback dot connect knockback. The funk knockback. This is gonna be knockback force, float, knockback direction. Gonna be vector 2. All right. Let's go ahead and set up a func physics process delta pass. Okay. Still got like an hour. We're good. We're good. I'll be able to finish this. Think. Knockback. Knockback force. Knockback direction. Okay. So here we'll have a var knockback equals it's gonna be a vector 2 equals vector 2.0. Okay. Knockback equals, we'll keep it simple. Knockback force times knockback direction. Knockback has the same name as previously. Right. Let's call you current knockback. Right. Current knockback. Okay, cool. Current knockback is set. Knockback. Current knockback equals knockback dot move current knockback dot move towards. Okay, returns a new vector move towards param2 by the fixed param delta amount. Will not go past the final value. Move 2. So why is it moving towards 0 in this example? I don't understand. Vector 2. Vector 2.0. 200 times delta. Just do that random number. Whoops. Current knockback equals move and slide. This older code, I don't know. Yeah, this moves the body based on velocity. Okay. Modifies velocity if slide collision occurred. Get the latest collision call. Get last slide collision. Detailed information. I mean, it just seems like move and slide would be the answer here. We go to base weapon. Knockback. So we'll just say the direction. Do I have the direction here? Let's say vector 2 dot right. Okay. Let's rename this to knockback force. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. And this blows up. Index layer. Whoops. Whoopsie. That needs to get out of here. Entered area. Base weapon. Right. Right. Okay, let's get all that out of here. I mean, it's taking the damage. Base enemy. Print. Knockback. Emit caught. Let's see if it's at least getting there. Okay, it did catch it. Okay, current knockback that moved towards. Is the number just so small that I can't see it? Print current knockback. Right, it's gonna be zeros. Still printing zeros. It's not good. Boom. Okay, close it. Where we get the knockback emit caught. Still zero. Oh, okay. That seems like the issue. So why is this zero? Knockback restored. Right.
Different things like that. So it's gonna be exciting up there. We'll be giving them stats.
Current knockback. Print current knockback. Okay. Hold on. What? Okay, so it is there. It is definitely there. The number is tiny though. Okay. Number's there. We got the number coming in. And then I can set velocity, I guess. Velocity equals current knockback. Yeah. Let's see if this moves it. Come on, baby. You can do it. Whoops. Okay. I didn't do shit. Let's give this guy a harder swing. Let's go up 19. Go to this 5, and let's do like... do 200. Alright. Give a little bit of force. Boom. Oh, shit, he's flying. Alright. We got something. My guy was launched. It's hilarious. Okay. Oh, that feels good though. Yeah. So we got the... I should keep track of direction. Yeah, let me just stick to right for now. I can capture this from somewhere else. Boom. Weapon spray. Process. Boom, doom, 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 doom. Okay, we swing the weapon. We have the force of 200. This is fine. We can go to base enemy. Set the knockback over here. Okay, and we need to kind of dampen it. Find the 2. Whoops. Find the 2. We'll get rid of one of the zeros here. I guess it's like a dampening force. Two by the fixed amount. Okay. Oh, shit. So that's how you dampen. Okay. He's always gonna go right, but that's fine. That's really good. Okay, he's always gonna go right, yeah, because what I did. Let's get rid of this print, because that is lagging shit. Cool. We got all that. Get bar. So enemies should have like bar knockback resistance, right? And that's gonna be a float. I don't even know though. We'll just say like 100 is the default. Okay. And then we'll say bar amount, bar force equals knockback resistance, or it's gonna be knockback force minus knockback resistance. And then we'll just be... if this goes to negative numbers, it'll reverse the direction it's knocked in, I guess. Which is going to be kind of silly, but hey, that's what they do in Vampire Survivor with the Grim Reaper, right? So we'll do force. Oops, not that one. Force. Okay. Sweet. And then we'll have another export up here. Bar, knock, back, damping, I guess. I don't know if that's even the right word, but we'll just say 200. Actually, let's do like 300. Okay. Knock, back, damping. Cool. And let's get the direction now. Go to player, GD. I have some const over here. Wait, where the where the hell do I do the movement? Oh, I do it in the States. I do it in the States. Interesting. So how am I going to capture the direction that this guy is going in? I mean, every time there's updates, I could just have like a var movement axis, I guess, is a vector 2. Okay. And then using this vector 2.0, I can go ahead to the move. I think I can just capture it, right? Can I just capture it in here and then call it a day? I don't want to have to do this from all the states. Let's see. Idle, player idle. Transition walking. Or maybe I should only be able to do this from walking or attacking. Yeah, she does from attacking. Player attack. That weapon transform. Direction. There we go. There we go. Get parent direction. Wait. State machine. State. Get parent. So, oh, wait. Direction's coming from the player itself? Player GD. Direction. No? State machine. Oh wait, is it player state machine? Player state machine. Direction is coming from here. Direction axis. I have it. Oh shit, I was ready. I was so ready. Okay. Okay. We're good. Direction and then direction axis. Where does it get set? Player walking? It gets set here, right? State machine dot direction. So what's the reason I did this like this? Move direction -1 +1 is action key press. I mean, it seems a little silly. Move direction +1. There must have been a reason. There has to have been a reason. So I'll just say state machine. Oops. State machine dot axis. Movement. Hold on. Player state machine. Direction axis. Direction axis equals move direction. Okay, now this is set. We're good. We can go to sword. We can convey the direction it needs to go. Direction. Player state machine. Oh. Whew. Pretty quiet one today. Guess people might be a little busy working on their own stuff. It's good. State machine, direction axis, move direction. Yeah, I want this to keep the values to max. Okay. It's fine. So we do the attack, player attack, fine. Swing weapon. Delta. I go to definition here, swing weapon, rotation degrees. Weapon that. Okay, knockback force. Swing weapon. Maybe I can just pass a direction here. Direction. Where's direction coming from? Set weapon transform. Oh, shit. What do I do set weapon transform? Okay. I could just do like bar swing axis equals vector 2 equals vector 2 dot 0, right? And I could just go like, hey, weapon dot swing axis equals, what's direction here? Get parent dot direction axis. Right. Boom, 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 boom. That all goes in. Swing axis. Now I can just slide on down. Find that vector 2. Replace C2 closing. And we'll just say swing axis. Oh shit. Will it work the first time? Let's find out. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Shit. Let's give the my guy bear is getting screwed. He needs more HP. Get 1,000, alright? I have to hit you 200 times. Like a boss. Oh shit. Whoa, 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 what? Collision shapes? For some reason that just was not working. Okay. Oh, can't go right. Wait, what? Can. Wait, why was that not colliding? That was weird. Down? Seems to work. I don't know, looks fine. Left and the right. I think I need to give him a slightly bigger hitbox. Okay, let's try that. How does that feel? There we go, we got the issue. What is that? What's going on here? The hell is going on? What? How do I repeat this? It's so weird. So weird, man. Let's set the knockback a little bit harder. Sword. Wait, I want to keep the game on top. Why'd the game go back? Editor. Or settings. Debug. Editor settings, project settings. No, I don't think this would be in project settings. What is it? Window, advanced setting. Oh yeah, it is. Mode windowed. Sizable, borderless, always on top. Always on top. No, no focus. Nor all input. No, this just relates to the actual thing itself. The game. Ba-dum. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Wait, where the hell did it go? Oh no, it froze. Why? Why would you freeze? Alright, that's gonna need a second, I guess. Keep running game on top. Why did it freeze? The hell? Okay. I don't know what happened, but I guess we gotta restart. That was weird. Hey man, I just saw your message in YouTube. Just saw it. I almost never look at the YouTube chat though. YouTube chat is ignored for life. I'm so sorry. Okay. Product settings, display. Was it the thing I just saw before? Maybe. Display, window. Always on top. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Drop a few more bears in the scene. A few more bears. Bears. We got the characters, the enemy bear like lion. Boom. Okay. Duplicate you, move you like over here. A few of you over here. Surrounded by bears. Do they collide with each other? Yeah, they do. Nice. They do collide. That's crazy. Nice that just works. Wait. I think I figured it out. 1, 2. Yep, I figured it out. If I attack when I'm idle, it doesn't do anything. Why is that? So when I'm idle, does it reset? That would actually be crazy. Oh yeah, it might. So I don't want this to update every single time. Dun, dun, dun. Don't want to keep track of the previous direction. Okay, let's go to walk. He's walking. His action pressed, move left, move right. Is that why I did it like this? I think that's why I did that like that. Let's change all this. This is pretty shit. Okay, hold on. We'll fix this right now. Should be pretty quick. Famous last words. Input that. Retry. We're good. Get axis. Negative, positive. Right, okay. So we can do this for left and right. Move left. And we have move right. Okay. Oops. See word up. Up is negative. And down is positive. Bar move X equals bar move Y equals, right? Bar current move equals, this is going to be a vector 2. Vector 2, let's just define it. Vector, screw it, I don't need to do that. Vector 2, and we'll do move X, move Y. Okay. So current move. What's his move direction? Okay. I think I did this just for the fact that state machine that direction. I think I just did this to make my life easier. Maybe I don't need any of this. State machine that direction. Let's just comment it out for now. Okay. Because we have a current move. Or I guess I should say this should just be move direction equals this. Okay, move direction. Direction axis equals that. And then move direction equals move direction dot normalized. Blah 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 blah. I already have it here too. I want to do it before it's normalized. So we'll just say if move x is not equal to 0, or move y not equal to 0, right? We'll just set it. Boom. The default should just be vector 2.right though. Player state machine. I think this needs to be right. We need to define something that it can attack. Okay. This can get rid of all that code probably. Move X. And then I need to do the thing to figure out the directions, I guess. Oh wait, no, those directions are dependent. A lot, very much dependent on that. Move X. Up, down, left, right, left. Yeah, everything is dependent on it, isn't it? Lock. Let's go to go to roll, right? Player roll. Player rolling. This uses direction too. Oh, the roll uses direction axis. Okay. Rolling up, right, or down, left is gonna be quicker. Whatever. Direction. Yeah, I need direction for everything actually. This is just gonna have to be like this. That's it. That's just gonna have to be like that too. Okay. I mean, that's fine though. And if state machine, say state in that direction. Oh, I don't know why it's not autofilling. That x is not equal to 0. Or paste that, we'll change it to y. We'll only update the axis if it's actually moving. That way it'll keep the direction instead of resetting it to 0. That kind of sucks. Okay, I think that fixes stuff. Or it doesn't do anything. Hold on, wait. State machine that directs its direction axis. We'll go to attack. Player attack. Get parent direction axis. Enter. Print. Weapon that swing. Swing axis. See if that's making it there, at least. No? Why? Why is it 0? Swing axis equals get parent dot direction axis. Okay. And what updates direction axis? This is vector 2 dot right. Yeah. Wait. Vector 2, does that use... It uses floating point coordinates. Okay, yeah. Walking. He's walking now. Move direction. So state machine dot direction axis. Oh no, this needs to be C2. This. We need to do move direction. What am I doing? Move direction dot Y or oops, I could just say move direction is not equal to vector 2.0, right? That should do enough. That should do it. Moving is not 0. Okay. 1 0 minus 1 0. Okay. Okay. Cool. Sweet. Sword is gonna have weapon damage. Weapon offset. Knockback force of 1,000. Ho ho! Those guys are gone. Yeeted. Alright, he's gone too. Shit. A little bit hard. I mean, maybe it should be able to hit a little hard, but like... I think it should be able to hit hard. But we should also... put the brakes on them really hard. Let's say... boom. Right. Like that kind of works, right? Hold on. Is the hurt box colliding with anything? No. This one is. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think we're good. We're good at this functionality today. Kind of works. And that was the goal. This guy like 900 knockback resistance. Getting knocked in a negative direction, right? Let's go to enemy, base enemy. Knockback resistance. Knockback force. This should be like a math, min. Whoops. Yes. Min. Min F. Minimum between two values. Force or 0. Right, that's it. And actually, I kind of want to do it over here. Yeah, let's do that here. Okay, so now this should just not knock back at all. Or knock in the negative direction. Shit. E. Knockback resistance. Knockback force. Oh, wait. Should be a max. Right, because we don't want negative numbers. Right, okay, that works. Cool. And close this one. Base enemy, he's knocking back. Sweet. Sword. Let's give sword a knockback force of, let's say 300. Yeah. Sounds like a good solid number for knockback. Bear like lion. You, my guy. You got a knockback resistance of, let's give you like 50. Perfect. Actually, we should just default to 0 on this guy. Base enemy. This should just be 0, right? Knockback damping. I do want a lot of damping on this. Okay. Let's feel what the default should be. Right now the bear has, let's give you like 800 damping though. Let's see what that feels like. $900. Go a little bit higher. Nope. Take it to 1,000. We're good. Nice solid number. Yeah, I think that's it. Like that. Motion mode is grounded. Knockback. Damping. Cool. I think they're good. We got the defaults. It'll be 1000. How do we do a blink effect?
Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this blinking effect in Kudo. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go to the sprite that you want this effect to be on and create a new shader material for it. And in this shader material, you're going to want to set shader type to canvas item, create a new uniform float named hit opacity, and set the description game to component with the uniform float. And
So they just do it through a shader. Got it. Interesting. Okay. I don't have to do that right now, though. The hell? Why is that changing the size of the other one? What? What? Wait, I don't really understand that one. Boom, boom. So why are these two collision shapes linked? Oh. I'm actually a little bit confused. .28, they're the same collision. They are the same. Interesting. Alright, I don't know what's up with these colliders. I don't know why they're linked. But they are. A little confusing to me. Can I just like make a different one? Instead of doing this, yeah, I could do this one as like let's add collision shape 2D. This one could be one of these guys, one of these boys. Okay, get out of here. Doing this one. Okay, boom. I mean, it's a pretty thick one. It's rather generous. Okay. And then I have another one here, which would be the... This should also be a circle, right? Should be a capsule. Collision shape 2D, we'll make a capsule. Actually, no. Let's not do a capsule. Let's do a circle instead. Right? That way, these guys, maybe they'll just slide around each other. Gives them a little flexibility, I feel like. Alright, and the movement needs to be done by like force, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to rework that next. Cool. Yep. For next time, so let's leave a to-do, I guess. To-do, move the velocity from the enemy states to here. Apply them all in one place. Yeah, I think that makes the most sense. Let's go ahead and commit this. Get dot dash m knock back for enemy. How did I just do that? What? Knock back for enemy. That was so weird. I didn't know that. Interesting. Get push. Wait, we're good. We're good. Okay. I need to head out.